Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi Tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to find the matching count of diagrams of two columns. So I have two columns here, column 1 and column 2. So I want to find the matching diagrams of two columns. Diagram means two letter words. So here matching diagrams are HE, EL and LO. So count should be 3. So I want to display count in the third column. So matching count is 3. That should be displayed in third column. Let's see how to do it. Let's go to Power Query Advanced Editor. Okay, then we'll write the M code here. Let's form a list 1 equal to source column 1. Okay, then similarly we find list 2 source column 2. Okay, then we find matching list. So let's take list dot intersect. Okay, so we have to give the list as list. So we have to supply the list in the list. Okay, list 1 comma list 2. Okay, once we find the matching list, then find the matching count equal to list dot count. Okay, list dot count matching list, right? So we got the count. Then we'll find a new column. We'll add a new column to the existing table and form a new table. Okay, so new table variable equal to table dot add column. So existing table is this one, change the type. Okay, then new column name is, let's say, matching count. Okay, and column generator is each matching count. Okay, and column type is type number. Okay guys, so this is our code. Let's see the output. So we got 0 here. So why we got 0? Because this is taking as a single word. Okay, this element, it is taking as a single element. Okay, and comparing this and this, so we got the count 0. But we had to split this test into the multiple elements of a list. You have to split this test with multiple elements of list, so that we will get the list of HE comma EL comma LL comma LO. Okay, and here HE comma EL comma LO. Now it is taking as a single element and comparing, so there will be no matching obviously, so we get the 0. Okay, so let fix this. Go to advanced editor, right? Then I will do here, I will take the first element of the list. Okay, by taking list dot first. Okay, start first of source column 1. Okay, so I will get the first element as a test, right? Here also list comma first of column 2. So we got the first elements, but it is returning a test here. But I have to supply the list here, list 1, list 2. Okay, because we are using list dot intersect. Okay. So how to form the list from the test? We have to split the test by using the delimiter comma. Okay. So let's split, right? So test dot split. So this is my test. I want to split using delimiter comma. Okay. Same thing for list 2 also. Okay. So let's see the output now. Yeah, now we got the correct output 3. Okay. So matching backgrounds out of these two lists is 3. That is HEEL and LO. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi Tutorials for more such amazing Power Query M language videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.